if you use ReVanced for your YouTube experience, you might want to sit down for this. You might actually be using code taken directly from another project without credit. Today we're talking about a massive controversy in the open source community and why you should make the switch to Morphe. First, what exactly is Morphe? Morphe was formed by a group of former ReVanced developers and regular contributors. They ultimately left the ReVanced team over major disagreements regarding how ReVanced management was treating its end users and the developers doing the majority of the work. Since hard forking away in late 2025, Morphe has left ReVanced behind and hasn't taken a single line of code from them. Instead, they've been innovating at incredible speeds, pushing an average of 7.5 non-bot commits every single day since January. But here is where the drama starts. ReVanced has been copying huge amounts of newly written, 100% unique code directly from Morphe. In fact, they are copying it so closely that they are even bringing over Morphe's typos and the code comments that specifically refer to the app as Morphe. Now, open source code is free to use, but it doesn't mean you can use it without restrictions. You still have to follow the license. Morphe operates under the GPL v3 license, which requires preserving copyright notices and giving simple user-facing credit to the people who made the patches. Morphe respects this rule and openly credits prior projects like ReVanced and Vanced right inside their app. ReVanced, however, completely refuses to attribute Morphe. Instead of just giving the developers the credit they deserve, ReVanced management has been actively hiding what they are doing from their users and financial donors. They have been caught stripping Morphe's copyright headers out of the code. They even squash multiple Git commits into one, which hides the original Morphe contributors and artificially boosts their own team's commit counts. On top of that, ReVanced actively censors, blocks, and bans users who even try to discuss Morphe in their social channels. They even censor mentions of the DMCA takedowns on their subreddit to deliberately obfuscate the truth from their community. And if you think you are supporting a pure nonprofit when you donate to ReVanced, you might be surprised. ReVanced actually attempted to file for 501c3 nonprofit status with the IRS, but they were rejected. The IRS reviewed their business operations and determined their activities are not considered nonprofit, meaning they federally operate as a for-profit business to this day. The Morphe developers and testers make enormous efforts to advance their app. All they want is for ReVanced to follow the simple, standard open source requirement of keeping the copyright notices intact and providing user-facing attribution. Until that happens, if you want a faster growing app built by developers who respect open source rules and don't censor their community, it's time to uninstall ReVanced and switch to Morphe.